Okay, this will be an interesting one. See how we go. Enlargement. How big are we going to make this one? We're going straight for the 400. Okay, let's see what we can do with this. Going to reverse it. So this will be a challenging one to set up. So we're going with all the colours. And the brightness. And the red. I wonder what hue we're going to give it. Just a little bit. Okay. Okay, what do we got? We got here a nice looking padlock, really tough looking monster. We're just going to be gentle and put it on the glass. So I'm just going to be a little bit careful with this one. It's heavy, so we don't want to drop it if we can avoid it. And we're going to just put it in the area in here. Hopefully it'll be close enough to 400%. It's probably going to be a little bit, I might have to shrink it a little bit, make it a little bit smaller rather than larger. It's quite a large specimen of a lock. So let's see if we can make this one come up a treat. First go. Looks like we just cut the key off. So I'm wondering if we're just going to see how it looks. That's a difficult one. Stabilizing image. Typical Konica Minolta thing. Whatever. Now it's happening. So let's see if we've made this look good. Okay, well, we cut off some of it. We didn't get all of it in, but I think that looks quite nice. I'm wondering if we're going to add a background colour or we're just going to leave it as is. But yeah, that's not bad. I think we can call that one quits.